Rock West Composites provides advanced composite solutions for a variety of industries, including aerospace, defense, and others. In the space sector, the company's solutions can be found on everything from satellite assemblies to lunar lander components. CompositesWorld recently caught up with Rock West Composites to learn more.
Hi, my name is Tom Priest. I'm the Chief Strategy Officer with Rock West Composites. We're here at CAMX, pretty excited to be here. We're a quickly growing company. We've been in business for about 17 years, all employee owned, and we have a very diverse business. Space products to sporting goods and everything in between. Space in particular is a very quickly growing segment for us. Fastest growing business segment of all the business that we do. A lot of expertise in various types of space structures, solar array substrates, bus structures, etc. So a lot of complicated, tight tolerance structures, but we're also very commercial focused. So we do a lot of work that's lower cost, less expensive for the masses. So a lot of diversity in the business. We're excited to be here at CAMX. We have a little larger presence this year than we've had in the past, and it's just a reflection of how quickly we're growing and the strength of the company.
Rock West specializes in multiple manufacturing processes, including filament winding, resin infusion, compression molding, and pre-preg layup, and also provides engineering and technical support for product development, including design optimization, material selection, and prototyping services. For the latest composites industry news and innovations, visit compositesworld.com.